I was and it wasn't only Sammy, it was Nessa and Miss Squeeze too. So let's give all the ladies recognition because Nessa was up in there cussing everybody out. That's espumine. I can show you guys in a minute. Oh yes, make sure to check out my yellow basket. What was I saying? Yes, I did see it. And I was one of Nessa's moms. Who's doing 5,000 cans? Ashley? Ashley's doing 5,000 cans? She is? Will we do a 500 can? Yeah, we can do a 500 can this year, for sure. Get off of my bed. You think 5,000 cans before the year's over? 5,500? Well, this is my second week and we're at, right now, 378. We're at 378 cans right now for this year. Oh yeah. She did do that. Jay, she's back. I know she had been gone for a little bit, but she's back now. Somebody block Nelly. I'm gonna do 1,200 cans when I hit 20K. So if I hit 20K, I'm doing 1,200 cans in one day. But I'm gonna start en la mañanita. Like I'm gonna start, that live is gonna start at, I wanna say like 8 or 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I wanna be done in 12 hours. So I wanna be done by 9 p.m. So I'm gonna try to do 100 cans an hour. That's the goal anyway, to do 1,200 cans an hour. April said she's gonna come. You should do 60 different products, absolutely. By myself. Well, Mr. V, I'm gonna try to get him to help. April said that she's gonna come and help me open cans. Who pin? Y'all are so messy. Don't pin her. Absolutely not, because I was I'm gonna open you're in Florida. Where? What part? I'm going to I'm not gonna open because what am I gonna do if y'all only do like 200 cans? I'm not gonna keep 1,000 cans. North? Oh, I'm in Central. Like, I don't know what y'all think this is. They sure will be going right back to Home Depot, to the HD. I'm not keeping that many. So we not opening all. We'll open 200 at a time, and that's it. Or whatever we get pre-sent for will be open. She said, I got a car. Yeah, April's not gonna squeeze. She's gonna come. If anybody wants to like help me just like open cans, deal with trash and stuff like that, I'm grateful for that. Like, open bottles, you know? I think I can do it. I think I can do it. But we got a long way. I'm not even to like 14K yet. Like, I'm thinking way ahead of myself. An ASMR assistant. mind the thought of like having someone help. It's just that I feel like I don't want it to distract from my squeezing, you know? Ugh, my stomach, I'm hungry. Thank you, Miss Ida. Welcome in. If you're new here, make sure to follow. Thank you, Linus. It was, oh, Magic, you missed it, girl. We did stained glass. It was really pretty. We did stained glass. It was cute. Can you take the dogs out? Can you take the dogs out?
The what?
Bye. Thank you, Stephanie. The dogs. Can you take them outside?
Yeah, okay.
What happened?
Nothing.
Something happened. It's for ASMR. ASMR purposes. This is beautiful. We did stained glass. This has like, I don't even know, 8, maybe like 10 bottles of dish soap in it. You gotta take her diaper off. Chachi and Tiny need to go out too. Tiny, go outside. All right. Y'all ready for the save? Are we adding anything else? This got a lot bigger than I thought it was. I'm going to. Is this all new? It's all new, babe. I don't do recycled. If you like recycled, Ashley is your girl. She's the queen of it. She even has a little fancy machine that makes her recycled powder pretty. But around these parts, unfortunately, I do not like recycled. I do not like it. And I think she's pretty close to 9K, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, thank you, Ebony. Ebony started us off. Did you think it was gonna get this big? Did you like have that feeling or no? You were just like, it's gonna be good. Did you know? I feel like you guys always know. I always doubt, and you're like, girl, I knew it was gonna be an overload. I always doubt. I always think like, oh my gosh, nobody's gonna want to send, nobody's gonna want to watch. And you guys, I feel like, are always more confident than I am about it. I'm always like, nobody's gonna watch me. She said, I had a feeling. Oh, that's okay. You don't have to send to watch.